During this year's WWDC event, Apple announced some software updates, and they include new Apple Intelligence-powered image editing features in the Photos app. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Apple has announced Spatial Reframing, a new expand tool, and an improved cleanup in the menu of the Photos app. The new Spatial Reframing feature uses AI to simulate a repositioned camera perspective. It generates AI content aware to create the illusion. After activating the tool, you can touch and drag to find the new perspective you like best. But despite the feature's name, it works with all photos, not just spatial ones. Meanwhile, the Extend tool uses AI to add content beyond an image's edges, and the existing cleanup feature, which removes unwanted parts of a photo, will get an upgrade with better quality and more realistic infill. Image Playground, Apple's half-baked AI image generator that debuted in iOS 18, is also looking somewhat readier for prime time. The app can now generate photorealistic images, which looks like quite the improvement over the weird cartoonish ones it previously made. It can generate images of multiple people from your photo library, and you can edit the generated outputs by circling objects. You can describe the changes you want in natural language, and Image Playground will also let you choose between orientations, including portrait, landscape, square, and wallpaper if you're creating something for your background display. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.